video, Emanuela is going to show us how to make cake.
So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making a cake. It's a very delicious and nice recipe that I'll be showing the ingredients of in a bit. But first I would like to remind you to please subscribe to our channel, please like our videos, and please share them with your family and friends. Also, I would like to thank all of our old subscribers. Thank you for stopping by on this video again. And for our new subscribers, thanks for coming. You're welcome to our channel.
So guys, she's about to introduce all the ingredients that she's going to use for this recipe. For our old subscribers, I want to say thank you for stopping by today. Thank you so much. We so much appreciate. And for our new subscribers, please, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We love you all, guys. So now she's about to introduce all the ingredients that she's going to use for this cake. Let's get started.
So now I'm going to start listing the ingredients I'm going to be using and that I'm going to put in the description box. So first I have 230 grams of eggs. I also have some lemon zest and 250 grams of sugar. I also have 16 grams of baking powder and 150 grams of milk. I have 160 grams of butter and 300 grams of all-purpose flour. And lastly, I also have some icing sugar, which I'm going to be using in the end. So guys, this is the pan I'm going to cover in butter later, so that the cake will not stick to the pan. So now I'm going to be adding the butter to a bowl. And I'm going to be adding sugar to the butter. And then with the mixer, I'm going to be mixing it together. So now I'll start adding the 4 eggs, that is the 230 grams of eggs, bit by bit, slowly. So guys, also make sure that the mixer is on the lowest setting, because if the mixer goes too fast, the dough will spoil. So now I'm also going to start adding the milk slowly. So now I'm also going to start adding the flour bit by bit while mixing. And I'm also going to be adding the baking powder and the lemon zest. So now I'm going to mix it together, so at least I'll make sure that it's all mixed up together. And now, as I said earlier, this is the part that I was talking about earlier. The part where I'm rubbing the butter on the pan. So now that I've rubbed the butter on the pan, I'll slowly and carefully, in a circular manner, add the dough to the pan. So now, to make sure that the mix is leveled, I'll be shaking the pan. So now I'm going to put the dough in the oven that I've preheated for about 10 minutes, and I've set the oven to 180 degrees from 30 to 35 minutes. But remember that the degrees and time depend on your oven. Now I'm going to check the cake with a thin stick. If the stick comes out clean, the cake is well cooked. But if it isn't clean, then you should leave it to cook a little bit more before you try again. Now, the cake is finally ready. So now I'm going to take it out of the oven. Now I'm going to let the cake to cool down. Now that it has cooled down, I'm going to start adding the icing sugar.
Video. Thank you for watching, and for our old subscribers, thank you for stopping by today and watch our videos. God will bless you. So remember to give this video a thumbs up. You can share your families, your friends, to everywhere. And also, if you have not subscribed, before you leave this channel, please subscribe. And also remember to hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of our videos. Okay, so now let's show them the outcome of the video. What is your cake? Surprise. Come on! This is our delicious cake. What do you want to say about this cake?
It looks so great, guys. I would love to eat it right now.
Yeah, me too.
And in fact, I am going to after this.
What do you want to say to our subscribers?
I would like to say thank you to everyone who watched this video, who subscribed and liked. We really appreciate.
And what do they have to do before they leave?
Also, if you haven't, you should remember to please subscribe, like, and share our videos.
So we are going to see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Ciao.